Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock the device, and go straight to Settings, Sound or Sounds and Haptics. You do this because lock screen noise is controlled by system sound toggles. Once there, look for labels like Lock Sound, Screen Lock, or System Sounds. Toggle that specific switch off. This mutes the click or chime when locking. Make sure media and ringer volumes remain as you want them. You are only changing the lock sound, not alarms or notifications. Next, dig into related sound controls so you don't leave a stray setting active. You should disable keyboard clicks and other system sounds if present. They often live in the same menu. If the lock sound option is missing, go to Accessibility Audio/Visual because some manufacturers bury system tones there. Also configure Do Not Disturb or a focus profile to suppress sounds temporarily. This is useful when the OS lacks a direct lock sound toggle. Finish by locking the device and listening for silence. Test repeatedly to confirm. If the sound persists, restart your phone so the new setting is enforced. You should also check for third-party lock screen or security apps that override system sounds and uninstall or reconfigure them. If nothing works, update the OS because a bug may cause setting failures. If audio still appears, use the single troubleshooting tip. Reset sound settings to defaults, then redo the mute steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.